Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need power and Bluetooth ready, so start now. Charge the AirPods Pro case above 50% and unlock your Android. Once done, disable automatic Apple handoffs if you previously paired them to an iPhone, because that can interrupt pairing. Then open Settings on your Android and go straight to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the device list is visible. Do not close Settings while we activate pairing on the case. You should open the case lid and keep the AirPods inside so they remain discoverable. Next, press and hold the small setup button on the back of the case until the front LED flashes white. This forces Bluetooth pairing mode rather than Apple-only modes. Now return to Android, tap Scan or Refresh in Bluetooth settings, and watch for AirPods Pro to appear. Tap the name to pair. Android will complete Bluetooth bonding and show connected for audio profiles. Once paired, verify that media audio and call audio are enabled in the Bluetooth device details so calls and media route correctly. If the AirPods fail to appear or repeatedly disconnect, reset them by holding the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then retry pairing. This clears previous device ties. Finally, test playback and the mic. If latency or quality is poor, make sure your Android codec settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.